Hello guys, welcome to the Wi-Fi camera clock 1080p guiding video that is brought to you by Opticam360. Today I'll be covering two parts in this video. Part 1 will be showing you how to connect the camera to your mobile device as well as connecting the camera to your home Wi-Fi. Part 2 will be covering the application operating keys and functionalities. So now let me start by showing you how to turn this clock on. First thing we do, we bring a pen and we use it to open the back door by slipping the head of the pen down this way. Next, take your plastic off. Make sure we position the camera, the battery back in its proper position. Then turn the camera on by pushing the click button to the left, waiting for two lights to come on, red light and a blue light. The blue light stands for the camera power and the red light stands for the camera Wi-Fi signal. And what I'll do now is I'll give this about a minute or two to turn on. Meanwhile, we can put this back and set the time here, which I'll be showing you through using the set and the plus button. The set button gives you 24-hour military time option or the 12-hour AM PM normal time. Start by clicking the plus button to select your hour, then click on set to select your hour. Click plus again to move to minutes, and with the set button you can choose your minutes. Now you have the time set on the clock. Next, what we need to do here is to connect this clock camera device to your phone through Wi-Fi. So next what we'll be doing is go to your phone settings, look for connections, then click on Wi-Fi, and you're going to need to be looking for this number right here, a very long number made out of a combination of letters and numbers that start with CM typically. Click on it and wait for it to connect. The next what we'll do is look for the camera application, which is MU-Cam, that should be downloaded in your device prior to starting any of the steps that we already did. I'm going to have to exit this and do this again. Okay, so the camera is not showing right now, which means that it has not connected yet, so we may have to do this manually. Typically what would have to show is the camera right here on the live video. But now that we don't have this, we have to click on the plus button, add new online camera. The name will be already there as well as the password. The password is 8888, which is a factory password. All we're going to have to do is to put the UID number. This UID number can be found right here and on the camera device itself or clock itself, and the bottom, which is this long number right here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to enter this manually. It's a very long number, so please bear with me. We have to make sure that this is entered correctly, otherwise the camera will not connect. So let's give this a shot. Hit OK. Okay, well, it did actually log in, and now it's online. Now, next, what I want to do is connect the camera clock device to the home Wi-Fi or your local network Wi-Fi. As of now, it is not connected. So what we're going to do now is go to Settings, and we'll select the Advanced Config option, and then from there we will select Wi-Fi config, and you're going to have to select your home Wi-Fi name and enter password. Once the password is entered, you hit OK, then you hit OK again, and then we'll wait for the phone to reboot, the application to reboot, excuse me. You can exit that app and enter it again and wait for the camera to be connected online. Okay, so right now it says camera offline. We'll just click on that. Wait for it to connect. Sometimes it could take up to a minute or two to do so. Okay, so it's online now. What I'm going to do next now is show you the key functions of this application by going in here. What you could do is click skip. Now we're on the live video page. On this page there are multiple keys. This key right here is to adjust the brightness. This one here is to adjust the contrast. This one right here is to be ignored. This is a turn on off the lights inside the camera, so it's not really something that you want to use. This one right here is to turn on the night vision, and if you don't want it, you turn it off. The next is the key where you can adjust the pixels. I usually like to use 1080p, which is it's much better quality. Then right here to turn on your speaker. This key here is not used. This is a one audio device. This is actually for a different device type, so ignore this one right here. Next is the button for a snapshot, and the next one is the button to record a video. So I just started recording right now, and we'll stop that recording. This is for using a different angle view, and this is pretty much all the keys that you can function with here on this live screen video. Now we go back. What I wanted to show you here is going back to settings, advanced config, and show you how to do the settings on the alarm configuration, which is actually where you set your motion detection. Right now it's disabled. What we want to do is we want to enable it. You can click on normal 4. This is for the alarm time schedule. You can set the time if this is how you want to set it up. I always turn the warning tone on, notification on screen display, hit OK. Now the setup for that is complete. This is for your SD card settings. If you use an SD card, you can use your recording options. You can close it or put it on motion detection, which is on alarm, or all day, or time you're recording. So apologize for the quality of the picture here. But these are the options. Again, you can close it, or you can put it on alarm, which is a motion detection, or all day, or you can put it on timing record. So I'm going to put it on all day. This is the file length. I set it on 3 minutes, and you can turn this on if you want a recording sound. Click OK. Now we can go back to showing you the keys right here on this page. So going into the snapshot file, this is the snapshot picture that I took earlier, and you can click on it to select options of deleting it or opening it or sharing it and so on. It's not showing here right now, so I'm going to cancel that. And the next button is record, and this is where the recorded video that we've done earlier. You click on it, you play it. And click out. Now this is the alarm for the motion detection pictures taken. So I just did a move right in front of the camera, and it brought a notification and recorded the pictures. So with that, I've showed you the basics of this application, and if you have any questions, please contact our tech support and refer to our user's manual where this information is located, and you can also check the questions and answers section for help. I hope this video was a quick demonstration to show you how to get this cam set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi as well as to your phone device. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.